The FIA AO qualifications have been designed for anyone at any stage of their career in the fire detection and alarm sector and follow a common structure. Each qualification is comprised of 4 units, 3 of which are common to all qualifications: Foundation, Environmental for Field Service Technicians, and Health and Safety for Field Service Technicians. The 4th and final unit is advanced and role-specific, focusing the learning achieved in the foundation to the specific roles and responsibilities of the learner, while at the same time adding further learning through subject areas first introduced at this level. These units are the FIA AO Level 3 units in Design, Install, Commissioning and Maintenance. These qualifications have been designed together with industry leaders and in consultation with many employers to match the needs of the industry with what learners really need to understand in order to carry out their work.